Hello friends, welcome to Input Output Campus. So today in this video we'll discuss about a very important coding question, which is occurrence of digits in a range, and this question is very important for your upcoming on-campus and off-campus examination. Okay, so we'll discuss about occurrence of digits in a range. Okay, so suppose you are given a range 1 to 10 and you have to find the occurrence of digits, and which digit. Suppose the digit is 5. So you have to find how many times the 5 appears in this range 1 to 10. So in the range between 1 to 10, 5 appears only 1 times. Okay. So if I say that how many times 5 appears, so this is easy. So 5 appears 2 times. So 5 appears 2 times in this range 1 to 20. So now if I ask you between this range 1 and 20, how many times 1 appears? So we have to calculate this. So 1 and then 11 and then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So between this 1 and 20, so digit 1 appears 11 times. So our output will be 11. Okay, so suppose you are given the range 50 to 60. So between this range, you have to find the occurrence of digit 5. So then you have to write 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and then 60. So now count the occurrence of 5. So for 50, this is 1 and then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so here the occurrence of 5 in this range is 11. Okay, so this is the question and how you will solve it. Okay, so for that we'll write a for loop and we'll iterate from this range, from this lower range to this upper range using a for loop. And inside this for loop, so we will take every number from this beginning to this end. Suppose we have take 54. Okay, so we'll do a while loop for this number. So while 54 greater than 0, that is until the 54 not becomes 0, we'll do this while loop, and inside this while loop what we'll do, we'll check the remainder of this 54. So for that we'll check 54 percentile 10. So 54 percentile 10 and the remainder will be 4. And this is not 5, and if this is not 5, then we will not count this. Okay, if this is 5, then only then we will count this. Okay, so after checking this remainder of this number, we'll remove this last digit. Okay, here the last digit of 54 is 4 and we'll remove this 4. So how you will remove this 4? So to remove this 4, we'll divide this by 10. So 54 by 10 and it will give us 5. So again this 5 will come to here and 5 is greater than 0. So again we'll check if 5 percentile 10 equals to 5. Yes. So 5 percentile 10 equals to 5, that is the remainder is 5. Okay, so then we'll increase our count value. So our count will be 1 and then we'll divide this 5 by 10 and this will gives us 0. So here will be 0 greater than 0 and this condition will be false and this while loop will be terminated and our count value will be 1 for this 54. So for this 54, our count value will be 1. That is 5 is present in this 54. So similarly, we will do this operation for all of these numbers and we will count the number of digits, that is the occurrence of digits. Okay, so hope you understand this question and how we will solve it. Okay, so let's write the code. So first write the basic format of the C++, that is as include iostream using namespace standard, and then write the main function here. So inside this main function we'll write the lower value. So our lower value is suppose 50 and our upper value is suppose 60 and our digit is suppose 5. Okay, so now let's write a function where we'll calculate this. So this is occurrence function. Okay, so inside this, first this lower, then upper, and then digit. So pass all of these variables, and before this main function write this function again, and the return type will be integer because it will return the number of count. So write here int occurrence. Okay, inside this write integer lower, int upper, int digit. Okay, so inside this function write a count variable. Okay, so our initial count value is 0, and after that write a for loop, and for int I equals to, so I equals to from this lower to this upper, so I equals to lower, I less than equals to upper, and then I plus plus. Okay, so inside this for loop, we'll store every value that is from lower to upper. So we'll store every number into another temp variable because we don't want to disturb that variable. So we will do an operation using while loop. So there the number will be changed. So we don't want to disturb the number, so we will store that into a temp variable. Okay, so for that write here int temp equals to I, so the I value will be stored into the temp. So now we will write a while loop, and while this temp is greater than 0, so while this temp is greater than 0, we'll check if its remainder is 5 or not. So if temp percentile 10 equals to 5, no, so equals to digit. So in the digit we have give 5 here, so just check if the remainder is 5 or not. So if it is 5, then we'll increase our count value. So after this we'll remove the last digit from this number. So for that write here temp equals to temp divided by 10. Okay, so after this go outside of this for loop, and when the all operations will be done, we'll return the count value. So right here return count. Okay, so this will return the count value and we'll print it from here. So right here cout and print the result. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so here you can see our output is 11, and this is perfect because in the range of 50 to 60 there was 11 times 5. So if we change this range, suppose 1 to 20, and we want to find the occurrence of digit 5 in this range. So you know in this range the occurrence of 5 is 2. So for 15 and the other one is for 5. So let's run it. Okay, this is perfect. So our output is 2. Okay, so you can check it by giving another inputs. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video and hope you like this video. And if you find this video helpful, then please like the video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.